Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Kumakabog na naman ang dibdib. Sa pagkabahala nadala ng daigdig. Sa dami ng nangyayari, saan ba ako lalapit kundi sa'yo?
Tanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hagan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko.
₱3 lang. Ano bang mabibili nito na karapat-dapat para kay Jim? Mahal ko siya. Pero paano ko ipapakita yun na napakaliit na halagang ito? Alam ko ipagpapalit ko na ang aking buhok para sa regalo na para kay Jim.
Gusto mo pabili ng aking buhok? Bumibili ako ng buhok. Halika, tumuko at iba rin ang ilusot na sundero na makita ko ang bayaran mo ako kaagad. Oo, ₱20. Oh, ito, ₱20.
Ginoo, anong may paglilingkod ko para sa iyo? Ano man, pwede bang, maaari ko bang tignan? Maganda. Sige, bilhin ko. Magkano mo ba ito binibenta? Isang gintong pilang. Dalawa. Ano, mabayang ka ba? Salamat din ako.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought to be. I couldn't really justify how you even thought could be right. 'Cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth a try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the banners of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. No, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright inside. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight is that no matter what happens, we try to.
Jim, huwag mo naman ako basta na ganyan. Pinaputol ko at pinagpalit ang aking buhok sapagkat hindi ako makakatagal pa hanggang sa isang Pasko. Kung hindi kita mabibigyan ng aginaldo, ito'y hahaba pa naman muli. Huwag ka sana magalit na
Pinaputol mo ba naman?
pinaputol at pinagpalit.
Ito ay walang magpabawas sa pagmahal ko sa'yo kahit buksan na ang kita ng
Be alright in time, and wounds of the past will eventually heal. I said, oh, we'll be alright in time.
Hindi ba maganda, Jim? Pinalugod ko ang buong bayan para lang makita yan.
Someone until you learn to forgive.